Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Doggy doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Amazon. So this is actually a set of publications from author Tarl Warwick, who is also known on the internet as Styxhexenhammer 666, known for his videos and live streams on a number of topics, whether they be daily news or more esoteric subjects. And wanted to check out some of his own works. He does write his own publications as well as do a lot of editing of past prior out of print works, and does editing and retranscriptions to clean up the anachristic language and more bring it up to more modern grammatical standards. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And again, Amazon, we don't normally get a lot of stuff from them because we try to support local businesses. But as a self-publisher, Tarl Warwick utilizes the on-demand publication services of Amazon to his advantage. So let's go ahead and get this out. I don't think there is a manifest, so I'll lay these out as we can. Ooh, this one is quite substantial there. All right, so should we hit it with a light? All right, so let's start with the most recent one that he's been promoting. Looks like I already got fingerprints on them, or somebody did with their handling. Thank you very much, whoever you are. Orange Man Big, Comical Leftist Fantasies. Tarl Warwick, 2023. So literally hot off the presses. So here's our back cover and your order information there. I'm not going to spoil it, although I will take a quick look to see if there's anything. Nope. Copyright disclaimer. So we'll just promote that there for him. Let's move on to some of these past works as well. So let's get these into a nice little pile here. This one's close by, Debunking Critical Race Theory from 2021. And our summary there and ordering information. Next up, let's look at Projection and Propaganda, a Brief Treatment. So this might have been his 5th self-publication from that number there, or a 5th in a series of discussion topics, this being from 2017. The Book of Styxhexenhammer, Humor That Isn't Funny, 2018. This in some sort of chronological order here. And being a prolific author, Against Corporate Media, a tract against propaganda masquerading as news. This is also from 2017. Ridicule for All, Scorn Deserved, 2022. Against Communism. A little bit of folding there. A Tract Against an Absurd Ideology, 2017. "101 Communist Jokes, The Communist Manifesto, Part 2, 2021. N-word, C-word, and T-word. How Western society has become what it thought and how to fix this problem. Interesting. What year is this one? Just for reference. 2014. So this is a very early work. And then the large one here, All the Reasons We Need Gun Control in the United States, 2018. Yeah, very good. Nice. So we got ourselves a nice little journal here. This is from 2023, May 12th. This was literally printed just a few days ago. Literally the day I ordered it. Amazing. This is from 2018, by the way. Here's the copyright and disclaimer. Very interesting. So, very hefty notebook there. So you can see here a selection of titles from Tarl Warwick. Feel free to check him out on the interwebs. It will probably point you towards Amazon as well as his various internet channels. Some are on YouTube, Rumble, Odyssey, BitChute, etc. He posts prolifically cross-platform. So, and again, his own works and his edited works. So this has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a selection of book review, media reviews, as well as a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.